Welcome back to the channels, guys. Thanks for tuning in. So today, I think it's time that we get the ball rolling. As you guys know, I was looking for a place that was able to cut me some pieces on a CNC laser cut. I even went to the extent of looking for a laser jet cut. And then, a few $1,000s coats later, I said, no way in hell. So, went ahead, bought some sheet metal, got myself a bandsaw. We'll create a table and we'll cut the pieces ourselves. So let's get focused. Wow, great. This is the stuff. Gee, really good. Love it. So sorry for the lag, guys, but since I didn't have a bandsaw, can't find a guy for a CNC, I traced everything as you guys saw in the pictures. I'll go over it. I was able to order myself on the internet a bandsaw. They got arrived today, and now I'm just doing some small tables so that I can use it as a bandsaw tabletop, and hopefully we'll be able to cut the pieces that I drew and get that bug on his feet. Anyway, so getting there, stay tuned. In life, folks, you have to remember, when there's a will, there's a way. It's not because you don't have that fancy tool, or that fancy stuff, or that customs tool, or that custom stuff that you can't do stuff in life. Never give up. There's more than one way to achieve your goal. Just get one. If it fails, find another one. We're ready to give it a try. So we'll see if it works. Wish me luck. Oh yeah, so here we go. Some pieces are done. As you can see, I cut quite a few. I already grinded quite a few. I still have to grind some. And we're not done cutting, because look what we have right here. More to cut and more to cut. We got all of these left, and we also have these two to cut. So let's not waste some time. Get to it. That's it, guys. So once again, the Wen bandsaw on my custom made table did the trick. I was able to do the hard cuts. Nothing is sanded, nothing is finished on these parts. They're looking damn good. There goes, guys. All the parts that I cut. Everything looks good. There it goes. I kind of need a small break now. I've been welding non-stop, so now we put it on the other side now, and a few welds that are missing. Some are nice, some are not nice. Whatever. It ain't gonna break. What's up, guys? I think that's it for today. I finally was able to cut all the remaining of the pieces, as you guys just saw. They look pretty good. Might have to grind them a bit more to make sure that they fit in one into each other perfectly, but that's minor things. Also was able to fully weld the frame, so the frame it is fully welded now. So that's it for today. Next time we'll start trying to mock up where the engine will go and build the rest of the frame in the back end. I just don't want to put too much tubes in the back end because I want to make sure like I have enough room to play around to tighten the engine where the engine goes, and we'll take it from there. And next time we'll probably continue on welding. I have to grind a few spots where all those little tabs go to hold the floor in place. So that's most likely what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. Maybe I'll upload a small video tomorrow to show you guys where it's reached, but that should be about it. So anyways, thanks for tuning in, guys. Stay safe, stay indoor with all that thingy that's going on, so stay safe. Hope everybody's doing well, and see you next time.